In this video, we'll show you how to add your own photos to Sentence Shaper. One reason to do this is to make what we'll call an electronic scrapbook, combining personal photos with the clearer and more complex speech that we hope you'll be able to create with Sentence Shaper. Then you can share this scrapbook by turning it into a video from within Sentence Shaper. The video can be emailed, posted on Facebook, or played on your iPad or other tablet. But here we're going to focus on just one thing: how to add your own photos to Sentence Shaper. On the opening screen of Sentence Shaper, shown here, every user has a list of workbooks. You can see all the workbooks by clicking here. The workbooks shown here all came with the program, but you can also add your own. A workbook is just a series of screens that are about the same thing. So let's begin by creating a new workbook. Click the button that says Create New Workbook. Now you'll type in a name for the new workbook. Let's say My Dogs. Now click OK. This is a little pop-up notice that tells us that we are being taken to the workbook editing screen, where we can make changes to a starter workbook. We'll click OK. So here we are in the workbook editor. Listed here are the pages of our new starter workbook. You'll be able to add more pages and do other things to the workbook, but in this video we're going to show you how to add a picture to one of these starter pages. You can select different pages. Let's start with the first page and click the button labeled Edit Page. This takes us to a screen where we can edit the page. There are several things on a page that you can change, but here we're going to change the picture, so we'll click this button where it says the main picture. Now we'll choose the button that says Search for a picture on your computer. The first time you do this, it will open to your Pictures folder. Then you can browse to a folder with the photos that you want. So we'll open a folder called George Pictures. Notice that as I select a picture, I can see it on the screen. So I'll choose one picture, and then I'll click Use Selected Picture. This will add the picture to the page. So now we're done, so I'll click Save Changes. Then I'm going to exit out of the editing screen for that page. And here we are back in the workbook editor. And now we see that the picture we added is now associated with this first page. So now let's exit from this workbook editing screen by clicking Done. And we'll open our new workbook. You see it says My Dogs. We'll open this workbook and we'll see that the picture that we added is on this first page.